It's a new 2019 Ram 1500. The ability to use tools separate humans from other animals. This Ram 1500 is a powerful one and will separate you from other humans. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bench seats, aluminum wheels, heavy-duty shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and V8 engine. Car and Driver hails pretty much everything about this new truck is very well executed. Ram works hard, plays harder. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.